Hi, welcome back. I did those nails with just 2 gel polishes. I know it sounds crazy. Trust me, I couldn't believe it either, but I literally just used my new gel polish. I got this on Amazon. I'll link the swatch video in the cards for you, and also my tried and true Vanillisa white gel polish. Now, because I'm working with gel polish, of course I'm going to use my base coat and my top coat, but that's it, I promise. Now let's get onto the nail tips. Find my size, make sure they fit sidewall to sidewall, and I'm going to pick out 10 because I'm doing both hands. I'm only going to show the left hand in this video. I did my right hand the next day. Now with Gel X or full cover tips, you need to make sure there's a little bit of space between the tip and your nail bed because that's where the product's going to go. So this is perfect. Moving on to the prep, I'm not going to do a full in-depth e-file cuticle cleanup because I already did that like a week before this, so I don't want to overdo it. So my nail buffer is going to be just perfect for the job. I'm going to use the rough side to create like a rough surface, and this is because gel loves rough surfaces to cling to. It gets in all those ridges and scratches and adheres to the nail even better. And as you can imagine, I really want these nails to last, so I'm pulling every little trick out of the bag. And once I'm done with my natural nails, I move on to prepping my nail tips, just so they look really natural and fit in really nicely on my nail beds. Now I'm going to show you everything I do to make it perfect, but you don't actually have to do all this process that I'm doing. You can actually just skip it and get some pre-etched or half matte soft gel full cover tips. They've already done most of the work for you, so all you have to do is just like glue it onto your nail. But because I didn't get those, I'm just doing the prep work myself. Okay, so if this is your first time and you're going to be prepping your tip like I am, I'm going to tell you my aim when I'm filing, because I'm not just filing arbitrarily. I actually have a method to the madness. So first things first, on the outer edges you can see this almost square point, so I'm filing down that point and sort of rounding it off to match the shape of my cuticle area. So I'm going to slow the video down so you can see I'm not doing too much, just gently, just a little bit, and when I see I've achieved that rounded off shape, I move on to reducing the thickness and the edge of the tip. So it looks like I'm actually going back and forth with the file, but I'm really not. I'm lifting over, going back and filing out. I'm filing out. Because I'm going a little fast, it looks like I'm going zigzag, but I'm not. But once I'm finished, you can see the tip mimics the shape of my natural nail bed, because that's the aim of like Gel X. It's meant to look really natural and slide in perfectly. Next, I use my fine safety drill bit to etch the inside of the tip. Once that's done, I flip it over and take the rough side of my buffer to create a rough surface area for my gel polish to cling to. And as you can see, I'm only going halfway down the tip. That's because I'm doing a really short set and I'm going to cut most of it off anyways. But obviously, if you are going to use the full length of the tip, buff all the way to the end. So once I finish prepping my tips, I go in with my rubbing alcohol on my natural nails to remove every bit of oils, shine, and to also double as like a dehydrator. Because the reason why I did this set the way I did it is because I was running low on supplies. So I'm literally doing the best I can with what I've got. So I'm going in every nook and cranny of my nail, leaving no stone unturned. So once that's done, I go in with my base coat, which doubles as an adhesive and also like a protective layer for my natural nails. Once I've applied my base coat all over, I cure it for a full like 40 to 60 seconds. So the start of the show and the moment we've all been waiting for, I'm using my gel polish as a rubber-based gel and like Gel X glue. And what's funny is it actually wasn't meant to go like this. I have my gel nail glue, but I didn't realize I'd finished it. So I reached for the bottle, picked it up to set up for my video and also to do my other hand. Like I wanted to do a full set because I gotten tired of practice sets and I wanted to do like a permanent set to like last me for like at least 2 weeks. Like I needed my nails done badly. And then the bottle was empty. I was like, oh my days. I couldn't believe it, but I was like, look, something's gonna happen. Something's gotta shift. Like I have to I have to kick in my creative brain. I have to figure this out. So that's how this came about. Yeah, it's a bit crazy. It's a bit much. It shows how much of a nail fiend I really am. But on a positive note, it shows how creative I can be. Like, it shows how when push comes to shove, things get done over here. Like, we'll figure it out. Okay, jokes aside, in an ideal world, I should be doing this set with rubber-based gel. And you know what's funny? I have rubber-based gel sitting on my Amazon cart. just sitting there, and like all I had to do was press pay. But it's been like what, 2 weeks now since this video. And do you know what's funny? My mom actually just called me a couple hours ago, and on the video call my little sister was holding all my Amazon deliveries, and she was like, you've got 3-4 packages for you from Amazon, you delivered them to the house, what's all this, what have you been ordering, da, da, da. I'm like but it's like, I need help. I need to stop this shopping and like consumerism is a real enemy here. Like, I'm being deadly serious right now. Like, I need to stop like being a victim of consumerism, because my packages just got delivered. I ordered it yesterday on Prime, it got delivered today, and my cart is full again. This is not healthy, it's not good. I need to stop. And I got some stuff on Shein on the way. Maybe I should do like a haul. Guys, should I do a haul? That would like make all this worth it if I just film like a video and like get some content out of it. So yeah, do you know what? I think I might do a haul. But literally, on a serious note, every time I think of like Amazon, Shein, Pretty Little Thing, Boohoo, I'm just like,
leave me alone!
like for real, I'm not joking. It's something I need to work on. This is me being accountable and responsible. But yeah, moving on. I took them off after a week, but I know they would have lasted longer because there was like no lifting. It was like as firm as you can imagine. They still look cute, but I wanted to like get back to filming, so I had to take them off. I actually ended up over-filing my nails and like ruining my nail beds a bit, because it kind of looks like hills and valleys, like it's up down bumpy. Ugh, it's so bad. Like, I can't believe I did that. I should have just done like a soak off instead of like filing all the way down, like all the product off, because I went way too far. Anyways, it's been like 2 weeks now, so my nails are like getting a bit better. Like, they're not as sore as they used to be. They were like real red and sore, but it's good now. So after applying the tips, I cleaned them off with rubbing alcohol. Then I got my tip cutter, cut them down to size, filed and shaped to make it a bit more crisp. And then I applied a layer of base coat, and then 3, I believe, not 2, 3 coats of my nude gel polish, because it's really sheer, so I had to build up the coverage. And after that, I buffed away the shine and drew my French on. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch me do that, because I feel like I talk so much. I'm just gonna put some music and like hope you enjoy. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'll speak to you soon.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, you and I right by side. You make me feel whenever I'm lonely. Get the lights on, wherever you are, girl, let's rock all night. I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, and we can't look away. Come here, cause you for me now. Hold you for me. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, every single moment. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
So it's time to draw the French tip, and I want this set to look really classy, elegant. So I used this simple technique to get the perfect thin French. I draw a thin line across the bottom of the nail, then on the sides you draw a short line up and then like a line across in like a triangle, and where the triangle and the horizontal line meet, you swoop it, and like I'll slow the video down so you can see what I'm talking about. So it's a white line across, one line up the side, one line up the side, and then like a triangular diagonal line across. Then where the triangle and the horizontal line meet, you swoop it and make it like rounded off. But yeah, you guys can watch me do it. It got a bit tricky by like my second or third nail, I don't know why, but my first nail came out perfect. I did it in one go. But that's the thing about French, it's like one nail could be super easy and you'll be like, oh yeah, I got this. Then the next 2-3 nails will be like wiping off, do it again, wiping off, do it again. But when it came to the other 2 nails, you can see on my liner brush, I was adding a bit too much product. I should have wiped off a lot of the gel polish. That's what made it thick, and that's what made me keep wiping it off and like starting again. So learn from my mistakes. Don't put too much gel polish on the liner brush. It's always better to like go over the line a second time to do like a second coat than to make it bulky and like ugly because you put too much product.
Them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me below. Music shows me, just know this and know this. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Love you, seen the way we live. I don't know why I've seen her. Get nobody who 𝐁𝐿𝐬. Never allowed that they go far. Who's the gold with the lever? That's all they do.
But yeah, I finished off the nails off camera. I did my thumb off camera as well because I did it in vertical mode for like shorts, so you guys can go see that if you want. And then I'll apply my top coat, but like I said earlier, I put too much product on the white line, so it was a bit chunky, so I had to buff away a lot of the bumpiness and make it smooth before I applied my top coat, and that's what I was doing.
Them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me below. Music shows me, just know this and know this. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Love you, seen the way we live. I don't know why I've seen her. Get nobody who 𝐁𝐿𝐬. Never allowed that they go far. Who's the gold with the lever? That's all they do. She got, and I really put you too bad. Midnight was a she got.
My nails are fully cured, so I'm going in with my Be Glam 𝐁𝐿EXA Cuticle Oil. So yeah, I can't believe I did these nails with just 2 gel polishes. I know you probably didn't believe me, but this is the finished result. Like, I can't believe it. I think it's so cute, it's so pretty, perfect everyday nails. And it's like, for the girls who feel like you need to have every single product, you need to have this, you don't need to have every single thing. You could just make it work with what you've got, which is what I did. And I love the finished product. It's so cute, made me feel so bougie and like real classy, like grown. So yeah, this is the finished look. I love these nails. I feel like this is gonna be like my go-to everyday nails because they were just so perfect. Every time like I would get a glance of my hands, they'd be like, oh, it's so pretty. But yeah, I definitely have to do this again with real builder base gel. I have to do it. I will. If you watch all the way, thank you so much. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.